Hello guys, hello everyone. My name is Daniel Alex, and this is the project that I'm working on for TON SeatonView. So SeatonView is a TON NFT explorer that you use to search for NFTs on TON blockchain. All you have to do is input a wallet address here, and you search for the NFT. Let's paint this scenario, right, where you are at a place and someone has forwarded an NFT to you, and you want to check if that NFT is in your wallet or the NFT has been sent to you. So all you have to do is to just search, input your wallet into SeatonView, and then the NFT that you're looking for would pop up. So now let's going down. We have a very good user interface. Here you can find the trending NFTs. You can also see the collections. This is still a work in progress, but basically this is what we have for now. Then you can choose to run promotions here or feature your collection. So we have the blog. On the blog, so we have what are TON NFTs, how to buy and sell NFTs on TON, why TON is perfect for digital. We have lots more topics covered here. The product is open to iterations. I think between now and the next 1 month is open to iterations. So but for now we are looking at the functionality, getting the functionality right, which is being able to perform the functions of TON Explorer. So I think we have our docs here. We are documenting every single thing about SeatonView, getting started, connecting wallets. We don't really have that now, but we are going to do that in the nearest future. So now moving back to the main product itself. So for the next part, we would be searching for assets that belong to a particular wallet address. In this video, I'm not going to go into the in-depth of the hard coding and every other thing, like how the procedures and every other thing, because it's going to be quite lengthy and quite long. I've had quite some exams lately, but I just had to hop on this project and make it work. So let's use Getgems for instance. Getgems IO. This project is similar to Getgems but better, good UI, very good community base. Although we are going to leverage Getgems API because I tried using TON API for this, I wasn't able to fetch the prices. So I don't know if it's something that could be highlighted to the TON ecosystem, to the developers and every other thing. I wasn't able to fetch the prices of all the items listed on the TON ecosystem. I had to read the API docs and these things were mentioned there. So now moving on, let's just look for a random wallet here that has some NFTs. For this tutorial, I'll be using this NFT, this wallet address to search for, to see the amount of NFTs he has in allocated to this wallet. Sorry. I'm using a free hosting for my backend, for the backend, so it's going to take some time to pop up. So let's just wait a while. Hopefully if you are testing this and it takes this much time, just sit back and wait for it. It's going to just spin the server and you get the you get your results as soon as possible. And I'm looking forward to, once this project scales through this first phase of this hackathon and it's verified, I'm looking forward to funding the project, getting a paid domain, getting paid hosting for the backend, so this procedure will be seamless, fast and reliable. That's what I look forward to doing. with if I get the funding, or even if I don't get the funding, I still plan to scale this product to the next level because I am bullish on TON. I am bullish on TON. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Okay, so now it has loaded. Now you can see that these are the NFTs that belong to this particular wallet address. Trust me, it's going to take a while to load, but this belongs to this particular wallet address. These are like the list of NFTs. Another thing again that I noticed, yeah, I can't fetch actual images. I don't know why lots of placeholders are here. When using the TON API, I had to make lots of research. As a backend developer, I don't really know much about I basically use Express.js for this project, but after making so much research and checking what Getgems use for theirs, I noticed they use GraphQL, and I am not very good with GraphQL, and because of exams I couldn't hop on learning the GraphQL language, but I look forward to doing that. I just needed to submit this in. I needed to submit this project in for review first off. So it just comes up with a list of the NFTs that belongs to this particular wallet address. So thank you very much for staying with me here for this. So now that's the functionality we have currently. You can also search for collection address and every other thing. So now let's move into the technical aspect of what I did here and how I got it. So now moving to VS Code. Yeah. So now this is my backend structure. So we have build, we have logs. I use Express.js basically, and I really can't say much here. I think as you can see my GraphQL here, I tried like doing one or two things, but it wasn't working. So I've not even pushed my changes yet. I tried testing it locally and it wasn't working, but hopefully I think I would go through Getgems API. It was really hard to find Getgems API, so I'll go through it soon. And because now I have more time, I just finished my exams, so I'll go through it and see what I can do to making this product better, because it's I feel it could be better, at least if people can see the prices. I think TON should do something about this API. The APIs that they've already published so far, I think the developers did a very good work, but I think they can do more. Getgems too, it was really hard to find Getgems API documentation. So looking forward at this. So I have my services, I have my utils, TON API services, making a call to the HTTP clients and every other thing. So, and now these are my routes. I had to add additional routes because I was like, this is not working. I needed to get more things. I needed to get more details. Like the metadata wasn't really giving me what I wanted in terms of what I designed, because I'm also the UI designer for this project. I'm the UI designer and I wrote the backend. So this is basically it. So it's been quite a ride. I really don't have much to say talking about the technicalities of the project, but I look forward to getting feedback from the TON team. Thank you very much.